glove departments on the bottoms, there's a little string. You knock, push down, and then you push on top of it, gentle. Now you can see it, air filter the inside, and the tube button, you push it out. Then you're gonna see the air filters dirty or not. Then you're gonna be like, there's a little narrows, it's down. This is the up when you put it back in. That's how you do it. And you put the new ones on top of it. This is the old one. There you go. I'm gonna open the new one. And there you go, the same thing. And there it goes. Yep, push it in. Then gentle to close that. And you put the strings on the bottom. And then you close it. Perfect.